Understanding, have a keen eye for, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used phrase, have a keen eye for. This expression is a gem in English conversations and writing. But what does it actually mean? Let's explore together and unlock its secrets. Have a keen eye for is a phrase that combines a few key elements to convey a specific ability or talent someone has. Let's break it down. Keen means sharp, intense, or highly developed. Eye, in this context, refers to one's ability to notice or perceive things. For indicates the particular interest or area the keen perception is directed towards. When someone has a keen eye for something, it means they are particularly good at noticing details or qualities in a specific area, often when others might not. To really grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. Art. She has a keen eye for detail, which makes her an exceptional artist. Fashion. He has a keen eye for fashion. He can spot trends before they become mainstream. Editing. Our editor has a keen eye for errors, ensuring every publication is flawless. In each of these examples, the phrase highlights a special ability to observe and discern nuances in a particular field. Now that you understand what it means to have a keen eye for something, think about what it might be for you. Do you have a keen eye for cooking? Maybe you're great at tasting and adjusting flavors. Music? Perhaps you can easily identify instruments or genres. Nature? You might notice species of plants or animals that others overlook. Recognizing your own abilities can boost your confidence and may even uncover hidden talents. Thank you for watching our explainer on the phrase, have a keen eye for. We hope this video has not only clarified its meaning but also inspired you to identify and celebrate your own keen observations. Remember, every skill and talent is unique and valuable. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.